See, a lot can happen in your business in 3 months.
Yes, I hired an employee, now be ready for another one.
Yes.
I hired a business.
And that's always how it happens too. You hire your first one and you put it off for so long thinking, oh, it's going to be so much work, I can't do it. And as soon as you get that first one, it saves you so much time and things are so efficient. You're like, oh, I need another one. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We have Dave Kramer, the founder of All Pro Web Tools.
Dave has worn many hats over the years as a small business owner.
Well, I really feel that small business is the core of the American economy.
Amen.
So this is my buddy Rut. He's a really intelligent entrepreneur. I love hanging out with him.
Thank you.
We did a video about him, so I'll put a link if you want to check that out. It's pretty interesting. We're on our way to get some Indian food because it's my favorite, and I've only got 2 weeks left in America. Well, no, I got 2 weeks left in Florida, and then I'm going to LA for a week.
Okay.
And then from LA, bouncing out to Thailand.
Well, let's enjoy the food while you're here.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Although I heard they've got a lot of good different foods in Thailand.
Okay.
You don't have to just eat Thai food.
Okay, that's good that they have a lot of variety.
Yeah. Oh, they got a ton of American food too, like pizza and all that stuff.
Okay.
I'm definitely staying away from that stuff. Why would you go to Thailand where the food is so delicious and you're gonna eat pizza and hamburgers?
Yeah, that's true.
If you eat Thai food here, it's nothing like what it's like actually there. The Indian food's like that too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because
it's different there.
Because you don't even, America doesn't even have the vegetables that you have in other countries, so you can only make it close to the same. You can't even make it identical.
And a lot of spices and a lot of ways that they make it there. A lot of things out here, so they trying to make it in a way. And also, like, a lot of people are not used to those spices or other flavors, so sometimes like it's a shock for them.
Yeah.
So I think they have to cater to the public. So
yeah, definitely.
I'm sure like Chinese food in India is terrible. I mean,
yeah.
it's very good in our own ways, but it's definitely not the Chinese food. It's an Indian version of it.
Right. Yeah, I know. Like Chinese food in America is mostly just sugar, and in China it's not like that.
No.
So I have to stay there for 90 days.
Oh, okay, 90 days.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
Yeah.
And then after 90 days, I'm gonna get an extension for 1 year.
Okay.
Because I'm starting a business there.
Okay, very nice.
So I think I can leave after 90 days.
Okay. So you have to be there for 90. Okay, for me it was 5 years in America.
Wow. Yeah.
I mean, I can leave America, but I have to come back in 6 months.
Man, this place is so good. I didn't even eat lunch, I'm just trying to make extra room.
Let's do it, man. I'm hungry too.
I know how you order food.
Yeah. I've been working on that plane. Finished that.
Oh yeah, I was hoping you could show that to me tonight.
Okay.
If that's cool.
I'll show you. Yeah.
Is it the same one you've been working on for a while?
Yeah.
That you were in the newspaper and everything?
Yeah. It's done. But I'm making another one. I'm transferring the electronic one to the other one. Making a different version.
That's good. Always innovating. I like that.
It's fun, man.
I wish I could have hung out with you more, but I pretty much just disappeared for the last 3 months.
I know.
It was all selling everything I have, like going through all the old boxes and just like cleaning
Emptying
everything.
out the house.
Yeah, everything. It was so much work.
I'm sure people are waiting for you there. Have you told anyone over there, like people like
In Thailand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got 3 employees already. I got 2 working for me, and 1 employee who's gonna start work as soon as I land on the plane.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand them the camera, and they're gonna follow me with the video camera everything I do, everywhere I go. So I got 3 people there. Yeah.
It's gonna be good, man. I can't wait to see all those videos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's asking me what's the first thing I'm gonna do when I get there.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
I don't know. We'll see. I don't know.
What are you expecting? Like, what are you expecting is going to be that? Like,
Such a good question.
Like, do you have any, like, before I came to America, I had this expectation, like, oh, it's gonna be like a big city and stuff like that, But I came to Lakeland, which was different. I loved it. It was completely different than my expectation, but it was like, definitely a shock. Like,
But Did you spend 6 months watching YouTube videos about America before you came?
No.
Because that's what I did.
Okay.
So
So
I've
you
seen
learned
all the
everything.
videos, all the streets. I even know the names of the streets, names of the food. Like
Wow.
I've learned a lot,
See?
so much about.
I would have known, but I had no internet, so. We had, I went to college and we had like a very basic Wi-Fi, but you cannot do half of the search on it. Like it was, everything was like so restricted in that college, so nothing other than like college website and a few other stuff.
And I love spicy food, and I love the metric system.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's just so many reasons to go to Thailand.
Yeah.
I have to get used to driving on the other side of the road, though.
Yeah,
That'll
that's gonna be.
interesting.
Yeah, I had to get used to it. You will find yourself in the other side of the road a few times. Trust me, it's gonna happen.
I'm not taking anything with me, just a backpack. I'm not even gonna take clothes because I can
Really?
buy new clothes there real
Yeah,
cheap,
or cheap. Yeah.
cheaper than here. Guess how much money I made selling everything I own?
Huh?
It shocked me.
Like 50,000?
That's a good guess. It's like 35,000.
35. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
Selling
nice.
my car, selling everything in my
Okay.
house, selling my furniture, selling my computers from my office, everything. It's about $35,000.
Wow, that's. Yeah, it's gonna go far in Thailand.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I sell it here, and I just go over there and rebuy everything.
Yeah.
I've already looked at office locations. I'm probably gonna pay about $400 a month for my office, and
Okay.
I can get all my computers for all my employees for about $2,200. That's
Oh,
for the
wow.
computers and the
Over
big
there?
4K screens and everything.
You have to buy a car there, right, or no?
Nah, I don't think I want to drive ever again.
Really?
I'm done.
That's good. Wow.
Because over there, I can get an Uber for $2
Really?
to get me from home
Or
to work.
tuk-tuk?
Yeah,
Over
those are more
there.
expensive though. That's more for tourists.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. We had a rickshaws in India. It was like super cheap.
Oh really?
But taxis, yeah.
Hmm.
Uber. They have Uber there.
They have Uber and they have something called Grab.
Grab.
Yeah. So I did the math, of course. If I pay $2 to get to work every day, that's $4 both directions.
Yep.
And if I do that 20 days, that's $80. I've always wanted to have a personal driver, you know, so I could sit in the back and just be on my laptop or my phone doing
Or
business
just-
stuff.
Or just travel like a boss.
Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
And now I can do it for $80 a month in Thailand. Like, can't beat that.
You can't. Dude, you're gonna have a hell of a time, man. You're gonna enjoy it so much. I
It's
can't
2
wait
weeks
to
away.
come there and visit.
Yes.
Thailand.
Yes, sir. And I think I'm gonna meet some real business owners out there too, that are just on vacation or doing what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm. Do they have American people in that city?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Chiang Mai is a big digital nomad area. So a lot of people like me, a lot of web developers, a lot of graphic designers who are
Really?
working their business from their laptop, but they travel other countries because they can make money just traveling.
Just being.
And then there's a lot of YouTubers too. And so I'm going to be actually both. I'll be both doing YouTube and running my own digital business. Tommy is the only employee I have for All Pro Web Tools.
Okay.
And he's kind of managing the Thai employees right now, teaching
Okay.
them, training them, coaching them.
Oh, nice.
But he also does all the sales. And that's something that's really been a struggle for my company, has been getting sales and marketing because it's so expensive in America. So what I'm going to do is keep Tommy in the US doing the sales, but he needs leads.
Got it.
And so I can do the leads and the social media marketing in Thailand for 25% of what it would cost me in America.
So the employee I hired, we are hiring another one.
Yeah, you never
Yep.
told me about your
Marketing.
employee.
Oh, did I?
Last time I talked to you, you were about to get one. That's awesome.
Yep. I think. Man, we haven't talked in that long. Holy shit! It's been 3 months already
That's
with
what I'm
her.
saying. Yes, 3 months is when I went off the grid.
Wow. Okay.
See, a lot can happen in your business in 3 months.
Yes, I hired an employee. Now we're ready for another one.
Yes.
I hired a business.
And that's always how it happens too. You hire your first one and you put it off for so long thinking, oh, it's gonna be so much work, I can't do it. And as soon as you get that first one,
Yep.
it saves you so much time and things are so efficient. You're like, oh, I need another one.
Yep.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you need, man, because you're growing so big. There's no way you can do it all yourself. No way.
No way.
Especially with like the visions that you have and the things you want to do,
Mm-hmm.
you will get held back doing the like mundane daily stuff.
I already feel like this is like that put me on completely new trajectory in my business.
Yeah.
Just having a one employee, knowing that someone's got my back.
That's probably my biggest weakness. So I hired somebody for that February, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, he's doing really good. I mean, see, with the guy I hired, we are now doing things in my company that I never would have even thought of myself. You know, you hire somebody who has skills that you don't have,
Mm-hmm.
and they're going to add that into the company, and the company becomes better.
Mm-hmm. You know, it puts a lot of responsibility on you
It does.
to having an employee because, like, and then also, I think it's a good thing that it puts that kind of pressure on you because
Yes.
it makes you perform good,
Yeah, when you're sitting there thinking, I gotta figure out a way to get enough money in the bank account to pay their payroll,
Mm-hmm.
it motivates you.
Yes, it does.
It really does.
Yeah. It's like the bond you create, with each other, like,
Yeah.
puts a responsibility and actually pushes you to do good things. And,
Yeah, once you get 2 or 3, you'll see how the things you want to accomplish
Yeah.
actually get done faster. And then you're like, okay, well, then let's do my next idea. And then it's done. And then, okay, I got another idea. And then it's done.
Mhm.
You can just move so much faster.
like, we created everything into different processes. So, like, sales process. So we have like 6 steps for that. So first step and second step, she handles. I do the third step, and she does 4, 5, and 6. So
There you go.
and now when we're gonna have the third person, so we're gonna divide it into 2 each.
Yep.
And so it's gonna increase the efficiency and like make the work environment even good. Like once the work is divided, it doesn't feel like, okay, I'm pressured to do this all by myself. It's like
Yes.
we are there to help each other. And with that one thing, the process can't be done. So it has to be done. So it was
Yeah.
kind of good.
Yeah, when you have a chain like that,
Uh-huh.
and everybody's waiting on you to do your part, it kind of motivates you to get your part done.
Mhm.
Same thing with your team. It's going to motivate your team to get things done.
Yeah.
And things just keep moving through.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I definitely want to stay in touch with you over the years
too.
and hear how your business is progressing.
Mm-hmm. Me too. I want to learn about you. I'm sure I'll see you on the YouTube.
You will. So if you're ever in Lakeland, Florida, this is the spot to eat. Curry mango. I don't really have time to be cooking food. I'm trying to run my business. And if I go out to a restaurant every day, it's going to cost me all my money. So that's something else that's going to change in Thailand for me. Food's so affordable, and there's variety, and there's a lot of vegetarian, healthier stuff. So I'm really excited about that. Thank you.
After dinner, we headed back to Rut's office to play around in the shop. He showed me a prototype for a new plane design he was creating. He is using 3D printing to create new designs for drones. He showed me how his new engine design would reach faster speeds than currently possible for drones. There really wasn't much difference between what we were doing versus when I was a kid playing with Legos or building tree houses. We were imagining new concepts and then building them and having a blast doing it. Owning a business allows entrepreneurs to continue being a kid and playing and exploring and getting paid to do it.
Your goal should be to have the freedom to do what you want to do, and the vehicle that's going to get you there is having your own small business. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I drop a video to teach you exactly how to do that, how to run and manage your own small business.